All right, your showcase is all set up. The pump is hooked up, it's turned on, and the fan is operational as well. Now let's put our COB light kit in. This is super simple to install. All the lights have Velcro on the back. So let's just unpackage it and install it. We'll have you light up in 5 minutes. Here's your power supply. And here's your remote and your splitter. And these are your lights. Let's unroll them and install them. All right, we got our light kit laid out. We're gonna go over the top center tube. If you push up in the middle, you got more play. And pull some slack over. Do not jerk on these lights. They're durable, but you don't wanna be pulling on them like rope. Go over the second one. When it touches the floor, you got enough. Now, if you look right here, there's your Velcro. Take the light, stick it on there, and just work your way up. Push up on that top, and that way you got more space to move that light kit in there. Hooking on that Velcro and just keep on going. Take the rest off your reel. Same thing here, lift up in the center of the, got more space, drop it over. All right, we're all the way down. We got our power supply and splitter already in here, and we got it plugged into the top of the pump. We're simply going to